Hey guys, welcome back, and this is my second experiment using the DecoArt Ready to Pour Cell Medium, okay? So I put this into the Ready to Pour paints. My first try, I put some in 4 out of 5 colors and I got a sea of eyeballs. It was overkill. So today what I'm going to do is I'm only going to be using the Cell Medium in 2 of my colors. So I've got some black and bronze from the last painting that I saved. There's approximately 1 part Cell Medium to about 3-4 parts paint in here. And I'll be using white, light blue, and dark blue for my other colors with like nothing, straight from the bottle. And I'm doing a straight pour / ring pour, super simple. I'm really in analyze mode here. And so that's it. I'm gonna set myself up and I am going for this. I'm loving this one. This is more this is more so like something that I would hang on my wall than the first try. There's still a lot of cells. We still have eyeballs going on. Let's just call it a more galaxy style, less sea of eyeballs than last time, but there are still quite a lot of eyeballs. Although I put the Cell Medium in the black, you can see that there's more space there in the black. I don't know how to explain that. And basically the cells are all the light blue color mostly. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands and I'll bring you guys in. All right, this is actually looking pretty cool, you guys. It's very galaxy-ish. I haven't done one of these in a while. I'm loving the colors. Let me go on the other side here. And let's go in for some details. We've got the eyeballs going on like last time. except there's more space around them, so it's less crowded. It doesn't look like an invasion. I really like the bronze. All right, so this was so simple. Ready to pour paints and a little bit of cell medium. I have so many things that I want to try. Hope you guys like this. Stay tuned for the dried result. Back with the final result, and I love it. I love that there isn't cells everywhere. I love that it looks galaxy-ish, that you can feel yourself getting sucked into the vortex. And I said I would talk about it in this video. There's no silicone residue, you guys, okay? The paint dries perfectly. And for those of you wondering, I don't know what the cell medium is made of. There's no ingredients on the bottle. So yeah, but I really am enjoying this, and I'm ready to go bigger. So stay tuned for my next experiment. Have a good one.